Hello, this is Vince from Sniper Day Trading, and I've got the chart marked up with some of the signals that I use to generate some of the trades. I use a couple of indicators on the bottom. I'm not showing you what this is or how I've reconstructed it. It's really not anything like the original. And the other indicator, well, I'm not showing that either. I'm not showing anything on the screen itself. I've got several things on top of the price which confirm and screen out which trades that we want to take and exactly where. Pretty much a multiple confirmation using multiple techniques. This trade may have not worked out if you took this, or a small gain. There was a point in here, but this could have been a small loss. But then all of those were gains. All of these were gains. Yeah, I don't want to get too much detail, but I'm just pretty much marked most of these as just the raw signal. I did go in short here and then again here, just a small little trade there, but looking for this bigger trade here, capturing 3.5 points at the farthest end, and then a couple points here, counter trend over here on the other side. You can see the two signals pretty much line up. I'm trading a smaller time frame, and my my entry was just a little bit sooner on this trade, but I could see this trade building, and that's what happened. Those are the only few trades. Took about 10 minutes. 10 minutes there of trading for me, and I was 1.5 times daily goal. And that was all the trading I did. I did see this move in here, and I marked the screen as though I was going to take that trade. Also, I seen this trade up here short, and I marked the screen and taking that. That happened to be the big run of the day. You could see in a larger time frame chart there was a excellent break right in here, and up in here was a shorter time frame said here, longer time frame said big break right there. Continuation, continuation. That green line across the bottom could be a good out. Get a signal long, but that signal long could just be your signal out. And up in here there was no, I'd still be in that trade there, even though that did that, gave it a little long signal there. So here's a long signal that was that long signal, but we could have skipped that since we're in a big downtrend looking for down trades. We could have just been taking this trade, and this trade, skipping the counter trend trade. Could have skipped this trade, took this one. Although those would have all been profitable trades, they still would have made money, even if you were just trading them for 1 point. But taking the trades short in the direction of the overall larger trend probably would have been the smarter thing to do. And you could see the movement was, there's much more movement to the downside. Even if you skipped this big move, you could have been taking the short move again, which also produced a pretty good move as well. Now at this point the market looks like it was trying to bottom in the higher time frame charts, so I could make the case for taking this trade and taking that trade back short again. Try to make the case for this. There was over a point movement in here, then definitely short again right there, and you can see the signals based on just that indicator. Now we don't really rely 100% on the indicators, but they can help. They can help people with timing and when to take action. As you can see, timing's pretty good on most of these. Like I say, here's a signal short. Well, you could have gotten short in here. Your stop could have been over your last high. You still could have been in this trade, but this is a better entry right here if you're going short, as opposed to just coming straight off the high. That's not a great spot to go short. It's a good spot to get out, even though there's a signal here. But again, we're just kind of like most of these here. I'm just marking up as the signals. Some of them I guess I didn't count, but just using my method was screened out a few of them. Let's see if I can scroll through the rest of these. That's pretty much it. So hope you enjoyed that, seeing what the possibilities are. And that's it. That's the end of the day. Vince, Sniper Day Trading.